Wait, don't scroll past this video because what I'm about to reveal about 1111 could completely transform your reality overnight. Have you been seeing 1111 everywhere lately? On clocks, receipts, timestamps, this is not a coincidence. What if I told you there's a precise 5-second window between 1111 and 1112 that creates what Doreen Virtue calls a reality reset moment, and most people are wasting it? Today I'm going to share the exact 5-second protocol that Doreen Virtue discovered can literally reset your entire reality when these numbers appear. But first, let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like you're stuck in patterns that you just can't break free from? Like you're trying everything to change your life, but something invisible is holding you back? That's exactly why this information is so urgent for you to know. According to Doreen Virtue's research into numerical synchronicities, 1111 isn't just a cute moment to make a wish. It's actually a precise moment when the world around you becomes temporarily more responsive to your thoughts. Think about it like this. When you see 1111, it's like the universe is suddenly paying extra attention to what you're thinking. It's similar to how certain times of day are better for certain activities. Just like dawn is the perfect time for meditation, 1111 is the perfect time for resetting your reality. But here's what you need to understand right now. You have exactly 5 seconds from the moment you see 1111 to use what Virtue calls the 1111 reset protocol. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. But first, did you know that every single day millions of people see 1111 and do absolutely nothing with it? That's like having a superpower and never using it. You see, Doreen Virtue discovered that these special number sequences appear when you're in perfect alignment with universal timing. When you see 1111, it's literally the universe saying now is the perfect moment to reset your reality. Are you going to keep ignoring these cosmic nudges? Let me show you what happens when you don't use this protocol. You stay trapped in the same patterns. You keep attracting the same problems. And your deepest desires remain stuck in the realm of someday rather than today. Is that what you want? I didn't think so. Now you might be wondering, does this 1111 thing actually work? Let me share something fascinating that Doreen Virtue discovered. When you see 1111, your mind naturally enters a more receptive state, similar to what happens during the first few minutes of meditation. It's a brief window when your conscious and subconscious mind are in perfect harmony. In other words, your mind is naturally more powerful the moment you see these numbers. But here's the problem that Virtue noticed with nearly everyone she worked with. Most people have no idea how to properly use this 5-second window. They either make a vague wish which does nothing, take a screenshot, completely pointless, or worse, ignore it completely. This is why I'm actually getting upset right now, thinking about how many people are wasting this precious opportunity. So let me break down the exact protocol that Doreen Virtue developed after working with thousands of successful manifestors. The 1111 reset protocol has 3 simple steps that take exactly 5 seconds to complete. Step 1. The instant you see 1111, take a deep breath in through your nose for 2 seconds. But this isn't just any breath. You need to imagine you're breathing in pure possibility. Visualize bright white energy, filling your entire body from head to toe. Step 2. Hold that breath for 1 second while mentally declaring these exact words. I reset my reality now. The word now must be emphasized in your mind. This creates a mental switch that helps break old thought patterns and create space for new ones. Step 3. Release your breath slowly through your mouth for 2 seconds while visualizing your desire as if it's already happened. This last step is critical. You must see it as done. Not wanting it, not hoping for it, but as if it's already your reality. That's it. The entire process takes exactly 5 seconds. Now you might be thinking, that sounds too simple to actually work. That's what Maria thought too. Maria had been struggling financially. One day she saw 1111 and tried the protocol, focusing on financial abundance. That same day, she received an unexpected payment, exactly what she needed for her rent. Then there's James, who used the protocol to heal a relationship with his brother. After years of silence, his brother called him that very evening to reconnect. And Sophia found her dream apartment within 24 hours of using the protocol after months of searching. These aren't just lucky coincidences. In fact, Doreen Virtue documented hundreds of similar stories during her research. But why does this work so effectively? This is where it gets really interesting. Our reality is more flexible than we think. It's constantly being shaped by our thoughts and feelings, especially during certain power moments like 11:11. Think of it like this. Most of the time, changing your reality is like trying to redirect a moving river. It takes a lot of effort and time. But at 11:11, it's more like dropping a pebble in a still pond. Even a small action creates immediate ripples that spread outward. The deep breath you take during the protocol helps calm your nervous system and creates a moment of clarity. And your declaration works like planting a seed in fertile soil, exactly at the moment when conditions are perfect for growth. But here's the part that Doreen Virtue discovered that almost no one talks about. The effectiveness of the 11:11 reset protocol actually gets stronger the more you use it. It's exactly like building a muscle. The first time you go to the gym, you might only lift small weights. But with consistent practice, your strength grows. The same thing happens with this protocol. Each time you use it, your ability to reset your reality gets stronger and faster. People who consistently use this protocol for 21 days straight report seeing results up to 10 times faster than when they first started. Now I need to share something important with you. There's a specific type of person who sees 11:11 more frequently than others. According to Virtue's research, these special numbers appear most often to people who are on the verge of a major life breakthrough. So if you've been seeing 11:11 frequently, it means you're literally ready for a massive shift in your reality. But you must act on these signals. Here's my challenge to you today. The next time you see 11:11, use this exact protocol and write down what happens in the following 24 hours. I guarantee you'll be amazed at how quickly your reality begins to shift. And if you want to accelerate your results even further, I'm releasing Doreen Virtue's companion technique, the 22-22 Amplification protocol, in my next video. This protocol works together with the 11:11 reset to create an even more powerful effect. To make sure you don't miss it, hit subscribe right now and turn on notifications. Remember, the universe is constantly sending you these numeric messages. The question is, are you finally ready to respond?